Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be working on making the wizard here be able to attack. So we can get started on that right now. Alright, awesome. There's now a lot of functionality for the friend AI script. And you can see here that the friendly can attack a variable number of enemies. So I can change this to like 4 right here. And then for each of these elements, I can put the name of the tag in here that determines exactly what enemy I want to have this guy attack versus not attack. And right now, we don't really have a tag for spiders, for example. I just added one for hawks, which are going to be a new enemy that we're going to be adding soon here. But yeah, this is going to be really nice, so we can have different like friendly characters that can help us out that will attack different types of enemies. And for example, this guy, the purple wizard, he will only attack hawks. That's the plan right now. So if there are spiders walking by, they will attack me and I'll have to deal with them, but as for the hawks, I'll be safe around this area. So yeah, there's still a lot of work that I need to do on this script to make it working. Right now, the plan is to just have him attack the closest one, and then also I need to add his actual attack object and then make it be able to damage the enemies. And I also need to make the enemies have the ability to attack him instead of just me. So yeah, we can continue on that. Yeah, obviously a lot of things are going to have to change, but as of now, the scripts are working as expected. So I'll just put this over here so you all can see what's going on. So I have 3 different hawks here. This is not going to be the final sprite, this is just temporary, of course, but you can see that the hawk can move around and the attack will follow the hawk, which is created by the wizard here. And the projectile that the wizard is creating, or the spell in this case, will always go towards the nearest hawk. And it will stay, the attack will of course stay on whatever hawk that is, even if the hawk flies farther away. And then the new attacks will start going towards whichever hawk is now the new nearest hawk. And yeah, so as for the effects, obviously I need to lighten those up and make them less, like, so, I don't know what the right word is, just kind of annoying or like so rambunctious and overused. But yeah, that will all be fixed in the future, because for now I just need to create these attacks. So next time we will continue working with the wizard, and I have started to come up with an idea for what we will need to do when it comes to the story for this wizard. So yeah, we can get into that in the next episode, or probably next 2 episodes, because yeah, this is just going to take a while. But anyway, thank you for watching as always, and yeah, check it out next time.